I don't know what to open first.
I think open your AirPods and I'll open my strap.
Okay.
Well, that's nice. There's like a little thing that you peel off.
A pull tab.
Right, that's it. That's 50 quid.
Yeah.
I can't get back now.
Well, no, I haven't quite sanctioned 160. There we go now. £160. I can't go back.
It's like a car. It depreciates the second you drive it off the forecourt.
Oh, the AirPods are like embossed on the box.
Oh, that's nice. Little things.
Yeah.
This is the little things. You spent 50 quid on the actual packaging.
Yep.
Oh, nice. I've got 2 different lengths, actually.
Oh.
I didn't realise that. So it comes 2 different lengths. One for if you have big wrists and one if you have small.
It has a nice sound.
Sounds like your belly when you're hungry. But no, I like that.
I think you must pay like 20 quid for the box, I swear down.
Yeah, probably. It's nice packaging, but it's over thought out. It's like...
It looks like a baby alien. Look here, you bought a baby alien. Look, baby alien.
Baby alien.
Baby alien. Oh, God, it's so tiny.
I know. 150 quid.
160 quid.
160 quid for a thing. My Pez dispenser's bigger than that.
For basically what could be a glorified vibrator.
Maybe a bullet, I don't know. Oh.
And then there's the charger.
Oh, at least you're getting a new cable.
It's really long, look at it.
Well, it's probably the exact same as all the other ones.
And the instructions.
I'm kind of jelly about these, but at the same time I'm not a little bit. Because I've got my other ones, my Bluetooth earphones, which are quite nice.
Yeah.
You're not going to get them out and stick it in. No? Right, so this is the box for my iPhone Series 3. iPhone?
iPhone. Apple Watch.
Apple Watch.
Yeah, Apple Watch Series 3 42mm gold, aluminum pink sand sport loop, GPS and cellular.
Aluminium.
Yeah.
And mine is the space grey 42mm Nike Sport logo. Sorry, Nike Sport Loop black/pure platinum. I don't really run at the moment. I don't really do much exercise, so I'm not that bothered about the Nike stuff. It's just free tap that I get with it.
And you get a nice box.
And I get a fancy looking box. Like, I've never had a black box from Apple. This is my airline pilot black box.
Is it?
And the words are embossed. You were right.
Yep. Right.
You ready? Here goes 500 quid each.
Yeah.
So, I'm just gonna use friction with my thumb.
Yeah, I am as well.
You're gonna copy me, are you?
Totally.
And I can't smell it because I've got blocked nose. No! Damn you, cold.
I can smell it. It doesn't really smell that bad.
It doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't smell of anything at the moment.
Just a little bit.
But these are the cellular models. I guess you'll be saying what you think about the cellular. As you get it for free, do you think you'll use it, or?
I think I will use it for as soon as I get it for free.
Shall we do synchronised openings?
We could try. Well, my hands aren't big enough.
I've done it that way. There we go.
Okay. Still hurts my hand a little bit. I just love the sound. on.
Oh, no! There we go. 500 quid gone.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, look at the box, man.
I know. It's huge, isn't it?
It's like... It's plastic.
Oh. Is it really?
The inside bit is.
It must be recyclable. Jeez, it's not even just a cutout. It
solid.
feels like thick plastic in there.
It's solid.
That's weird. So that's one half.
Yeah.
And here's the other.
Mm.
And you have your normal... oh, actually, that's quite nice. They give you a little thing which you can use as a stand, I guess. So you can have a little stand for your iWatch. Your iWatch Apple edition.
Oh yeah, these sports loops are so
Ooh.
comfy.
Wait a second. What's that?
The charging brick?
Yeah, that must be it. I thought I got the...
You just thought you got an extra set of AirPods.
It's like, oh! AirPods!
That is fancy.
You got your normal startup guide. Digital crown. Turn to scroll to zoom or adjust. Press to return to the watch face. Long press and hold for Siri. Side button. Press to view apps. Double click for Apple Pay. Long press to make an emergency call. I wonder whether you can make an emergency call
Oh, look.
even if it's not activated at all. Oh,
They fold down.
that's pretty cool. That must be a new charging brick for Apple then.
Yeah.
Or
maybe because it's the watch, it's easier for you to travel with it.
Maybe because it's the watch as well, they don't have to put out so much power.
Yeah.
That's probably what it is. Welcome to iOS on iPhone. What? Oh, to get started, turn on your watch. Install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone, then open your watch app. Swipe left from the edge to switch your face. Swipe up from home for control center. Swipe down for notification center. Firmly press on the display to customize your faces. It's got a heart rate sensor, air vent, just to cool down.
Yeah.
Speaker and microphone. Oh, like I was excited, but now I'm just like, I've paid 500 quid for a tiny little piece of metal.
Yeah.
Tells the time.
And does other things.
Yeah, does a few other things. Didn't get any. I'm annoyed about that actually. Didn't get any Apple logo stickers.
No, I don't think they do those anymore.
Well, that's a shame.
I just can't believe how epic the box is.
Pretty awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
So. Got the same brick for me. Folds out. And then the charger, which literally just... Ooh! Totally intentional.
Rob's already dropped his new Apple Watch 2 times.
Hashtag not drunk. At all. Not at all. I'm just exhausted. So that's the wireless charging unit for the Apple Watch. Have you gotten yours out of the plastic?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want to.
You don't want to?
No, I'm too scared.
You're too scared. What a pussy, ladies and gentlemen. Nah, that's fine. Oh god, I don't want to break the plastic.
Try peeling it from the front first.
Maybe. Here. Oh, that's my Apple Watch. There we go. Now I cannot drop it.
He says.
I hope.
I'm kind of jealous that you've got 2 bands.
Well, I mean, the thing is, when we were looking online, there was quite a few, like, available on Amazon for, like, a £5. Like, they had imitation Milanese loops for a £5. It's just like, how much... It's turning on!
Yeah, the red dot looks so much nicer on yours.
Yeah, because the black offsets it, I think.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to see what it will look like with this.
Yeah.
Could you pass me my phone? It's just there.
It's there. Why can't you get it yourself?
Can you pass it?
I don't understand.
So let's just sync it up to begin with. So going into the watch app.
Oh, I'm hot.
Do not disturb while driving. Yeah, turn on. Turn on to reply. Right, my Apple Watch is taking a little while to start.
Well, it is the first time.
Yeah, first time for everything, I suppose. I don't know the date because I don't have my watch set up yet. Oh, it started. So, what does it do? Oh, it goes back with another thing. Oh, your Apple Watch is set up.
Well, that's good.
I didn't even show it anything.
Oh, there you go.
Ah, right. Okay, so this is the camera. It does like a little thing.
Like a kaleidoscope type thing.
And I'm moving it on. And it's synced. Nice. That's pretty nice. Designed by Apple in California. Set up watch. Which wrist do you wear it on? The left.
We are going to be literal opposites because I wear mine on my right.
Yep. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Setting the language. That's absolutely fine. You set away.
So I never really saw your wrist with the 42 on. Because obviously I was too busy looking at my own.
Doesn't look too bad, does it?
No. It looks slightly big.
Yeah, but I don't mind actually.
Yeah.
Oops. 42mm aluminium case. Agree to the terms and conditions.
You may not use this watch while making porn
What?
film.
But Apple, why? I need to know how long they last. Stopwatch is perfect for that. I can even set laps. Just in case I go twice. 3 times.
A lady.
Signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. Done. Enable location services. Enable route tracking. Work out route tracking. Yes, use Siri. Turn on Siri. Analytics. Do I want to share my analytics? Sure, whatever.
Give Apple the data.
Give Apple everything. Ooh, you get to set up a passcode.
Yeah.
Interesting. So it's a 4-digit passcode.
Well, he's not letting me see this passcode.
Well, I don't know what I'm going to do. Set up activity. It already knows everything from 4.
Well, tomorrow I've got to try and set mine up with a E. That's going to be fun.
For Apple Watch delivers the ultimate in-run experience, plus reminders, scheduling, and sharing features that keep you motivated through. Sure, download the app, whatever. Oh, I'm not connected to Wi-Fi because I reset these settings. I don't remember what I set the password. For fuck's sakes.
For fuck's sake.
Please be the right one. Yeah, that's the right one. Okay, so it's downloading the app. Can I...
What app is it downloading?
It's not downloading the the Nike app.
Oh, okay.
Not that I will use it that much, I don't think.
Oh wow, there's a thicker instruction book for the AirPods than there is for the Apple Watch.
I guess because once you get the Apple Watch, you pretty much just sync it to your phone.
And the warranty leaflets are bigger. Oh.
What's that?
So the AirPods obviously will work with your other Apple devices like your Mac and stuff, but you have to set it via your iCloud settings. So yeah, it says AirPods now work with your other devices signed into iCloud. Select AirPods in the control center or menu bar, and I guess it automatically connects them when they're nearby.
Mm. I'm adding my Apple Pay.
But you have to have iOS 10 or later to be able to use the AirPods.
Huh.
I do think it's so cool that you just open the case and hold it near the phone.
Could you pass me my wallet? I need to pay Apple for everything.
Why? What do you... Oh, you need to...
Yeah.
Oh, so what, did you reset your wallet
Well,
settings?
no, this is having to put it onto my Apple Watch now.
Oh, really? Can't it just do it automatically?
Well, it doesn't keep the back number on yeah, I don't know. It needs you to put it in again. And what do you want from me?
I can't believe I've just bought 2 new Apple things that need charging, and I hate charging my iPhone.
Yep.
I'm surprised it has enough battery to do this film right now.
It's probably stopped, and we're just talking to no one.
No, I did. I charged it last night.
Yeah, it was on like 20% when I looked at it last.
Really? I haven't done anything with it.
Because it's an iPhone.
Feck off.
Hey, I got 90%.
I bet mine's more than that.
More than that? Yeah, because you don't charge it enough to actually wear it out. I just wanted to get off of this really weird, like, It's nice.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, but I'm
Oh,
just like,
one of the things he said with the diagnostic test on your phone is that it says how many times it's been charged. So it's been charged over 4,000 times, and he said that's, they said for an iPhone 6 that's good. That's low.
huh?
Yeah.
Someone didn't charge it. I wonder who.
See, you can thank me for your good battery life.
Apple Pay is taking ages to set up. Come on!
I want me my watch. You just want to put Buzz Lightyear on your watch, don't you?
I do. I want to play with Woody.
I see you as more of a Buzz Lightyear person.
Yeah. I kind of am.
You've got to do the joint account.
Oh, I've got to do the other one now. Fuck, shit. Why do I have so many accounts?
Because we're rolling in it, because we just bought all this shit.
As if. What was that?
It was your box.
No! Can you not stab me with my box? Right, now it's just doing that one. Should be done after that. Can actually have a little play with my watch.
This is heavy. The straps are heavy, man.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh wow, so you can totally swap it up for the small medium.
Yeah, depending on how I feel. Because obviously it's just two halves.
Yeah. That's actually pretty cool. That makes it a little bit more worth the 50 quid, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What did we do, Rob? What did we do?
What have we done?
I know. I said we should have slept on it.
Returned them.
Yeah.
No, I don't get nice new things that often.
True. Well, we did just get Switches 3 months ago.
That was half the price of this.
Well, no, because mine was 300 and something pound. Yeah, I've just spent £588. Shut up. Yeah, but I bought these as well. I can't believe I bought these.
Uh-huh.
Why did I do this?
Can it play Zelda, Emma?
No, I can't.
Can it play Zelda?
I can't use these with the Switch because it doesn't do Bluetooth headphones. That disappoints me greatly.
Not only that, apparently you have to have an iPhone. Is it only iPhones that they work with?
I don't know. Yeah, because it says you need iOS 10 for it to work.
That's weird. So they've made ones that won't work on anything else other than...
Yeah, but considering the iPhone is one of the most popular smartphones, if not the most
Yeah,
popular.
well... I know a few fuckers that would be willing to... What? Choose a way to verify your card. No, complete verification later. Oh. Install available apps. Install all of them. I've got 16 gigs. Just fill it up. I was doing it. I've actually got something rather than nothing. Let's have a look here. Oh, so the basics of the display. Tap and select, swipe and scroll to move. Firmly press options.
Don't ever tell my parents how much this cost. Until I earn lots of money and pay for their care homes. Don't ever tell them.
Press and hold to talk to Siri. Turn to scroll, zoom or adjust. Oh, I can't talk to Siri yet.
Why not?
Because I'm not done setting up. Press to show the dock. It didn't, but I'm sure it will. Double click for app. Okay.
What do you double click for Apple Pay?
The little button here. Press and hold for medical ID, emergency SOS, and power. Oh, the Apple Watch is just 1/3 through.
1/3 through what?
Just updating or syncing. Your Apple Watch is almost ready.
I don't like. I don't like these rubber bands.
Oh, you don't have to wear it, do you?
No, that's why I got the Sport Loop. One, because I wanted this cool box. I didn't want just the rectangular box like everybody has. I wanted a posh box.
Plus, it is a nice.
Yeah, I think it's a nicer band.
It is a nicer band, and it has more levels of like fit.
Yeah, it feels.
You can have it looser. You can have it tighter. However you want it.
And it feels so comfy, and I bet it's dead easy just to throw in the washing machine as well.
I am not washing mine.
Oh, why not wash mine then? I bet mine's going to get dirty. The annoying thing is that if I do work in the lab, I always had to take my watch off because I have Huey lab coats that have the cuffs tight around the wrist. I always had to take my watch off. You broke it.
Whoops. Oh wow, that's cool. Bringing one out brings all of them out. Cool there, knife.
Call that a charging brick.
Oh, that's cool. It's got the words in where the little plugs go. It's almost done yet. It's halfway. It's halfway there. It's halfway there, guys. Guys. Why are we doing this at 10:05 in the evening?
Because you wanted to.
I do want to. That's the thing. I want to wear this. I want to see what it's like wearing it through the night, so I know whether I'm going to wear it through the night or not. Because I don't know. I want to know if there's anything. I want to know if that's just a little thing that you can hold it in or not.
What, so you can show off to all your friends that you have an Apple Watch?
I was saying, like, I did an impulsive thing and I bought an Apple Watch.
What do people at work say?
No one really cares.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's harsh. Everybody in my work would just be like,
I mean,
what the fuck did you do, Emma?
To be honest, like we were all pretty busy, I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna go home and open my Apple Watch and regret everything. But I don't mind. Yeah.
I suppose you can only, somebody who appreciates the tech, you can only really talk to about it. Because I know, like, I hate not being able to talk about video games to people at work because they just think I'm sad.
Yeah.
And it's a waste of time.
Me and, like, City Skylines or Civilization, they're very niche games.
Mm.
They're not exactly like Call of Duty that has millions, if not billions, of players, and everyone.
I hate COD.
Pretty much everyone gets along with it, apart from me.
I don't like it. Not my type of game.
You have to give it a go. You have to actually like this. You have to actually throw yourself in at the deep end and just try.
Yeah.
Just see what it's like, because some of the people at work actually have started playing and they never used to play before, and they're like, oh my god, I'm getting so addicted and I'm shit at the game, but it doesn't matter because I'm playing.
What, COD?
Yeah, and I'm just like, yeah, that's cool. I used to play COD.
When it was cool.
12. No, I used to play COD when I was an older teenager, I guess. Up to an older teenager.
Let me look. Ooh.
Do you want to scroll with it?
So would you use the digital camera?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
See, if you used yours and got yours going,
Yeah.
you'd know this.
Oh. Can you not just slide on, swipe, like do it on the screen?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
But the idea is it's there so you don't have to block the screen.
Ah, okay.
That's the thing. The original design of the Apple Watch, which essentially is the same thing it is now.
Mm.
Ooh, it just vibrated. Sorry.
Did you get some haptic feedback?
Yeah, it felt really nice. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. There we go. I have the Nike watch. Yeah, boy. So, oh, that's nice, isn't that? It goes.
Ah.
Pretty cool.
It's very bright.
The only app I really have is Pokemon Go and Messenger.
Oh, at least Messenger works.
Yeah, that's interesting. I'm really looking forward to using maps.
Yeah, because it like vibrates on your wrist and stuff to tell you when to take a turn.
Not just that, it's a more
convenient way.
Yeah.
Than having to get your phone out. Because I struggle to get my massive ass phone out of my tiny little bag.
Yeah.
I'm just not looking forward to the first time my mum calls me. And she's like, why are there lots of background noise, Emma? No reason. Ignore. I'm not talking to you through my watch.
So I have the Nike ones.
Yeah.
And I have all the other ones that I can use. I might go with the kaleidoscope.
Oh, damn it, I was going to have that one.
And customize it. So what picture do I want? How do I customize the kaleidoscope? Ooh. So it just changes. I guess it's just a colour, but I was thinking it could be facet, date.
Oh, that alcohol has gone straight to my head.
I want some more.
Nope. I just want to go to bed.
Siri utility. Modular. Toy Story. Toy box. Buzz. Woody. Jessie.
I wanted bullseye. Why is there not a bullseye?
No, I don't know. I could do my heart rate. News. I think date is a good one.
You can even have the lunar cycle.
Activity. Oh, battery. It's at 73%. Oh, poor battery. Calendar. Oh, I didn't ask about that annoying thing.
What thing?
No.
What?
On my calendars, someone keeps inviting me to some stupid, like, make lots of money thing, and it's just like, fuck off.
You wanker.
Piece off, you wanker! Wow, the moon phase is the waxing gibbous.
That was so funny when we were in the Apple store. And I was going to go and ask you about the discount thing. So it was okay. And she was like, it's okay, I'll stay here with all the products. And everybody who was sitting at that table was just looking at me like, what the fuck is she buying?
Why is she buying two?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't customize the astronomy. Whoa! It It does like an entire solar system worth of. Oh, and it even goes forward and backwards through the days.
Wow.
Oh, that's cool.
Rob's just like, this can be my life now. Why does it need to know what wrist that you wear your watch on?
I don't know, Emma. I wonder if it's real-time clouds.
I don't think that's clouds, that's the sun.
Yeah, I mean, there's also clouds on it. I wonder whether that's the current weather. I don't know.
Me, I don't know.
You got Mickey Mouse.
I don't like Mickey Mouse one.
Yeah. I know what you mean. You've got the solar cycle. It's weird how you can just move it about.
Waka 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 wow.
What's that one? Numerals. Interesting. I can do a new one. Maybe this is how I do my own photo in Kaleidoscope.
The thing is though, does your phone case match the new strap colours?
I don't know, does it? I'd imagine it should, because it's
Product red.
product
I say the straps are slightly darker, but then again you have had your case for longer, so it might have worn the darkness off a little bit.
Maybe.
You know what I mean?
Maybe. Okay. I'm on 82 beats per minute.
Mm-hmm. It's because you're excited.
I think I might just stick it to the Toy Story one at the moment.
Okay.
What can I do with Buzz? Buzz, do something. Oh! Oh, it's the piggy.
Oh.
It's such a nice display as well, where it's OLED. Like, you can't tell the blacks are on, if that makes sense. So, like with OLED, it doesn't. Like with an LCD or an LED, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Even if it's displaying a black pixel, it's still on. It's still got backlight on it. But with the OLED, it's just practically invisible. It's so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
I compare new watches. Why would I have two watches?